If you want another dose of Disney magic, click the video or playlist here. And if you enjoyed this one, join the Small World grid today so you don't miss out on any future adventures.